Welcome back to Stacking Chips, where we share tips and tricks on how to make money online. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make $10K a month with affiliate marketing. Before we get started, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. First, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a process where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale you make. It's a great way to make money online because you don't have to create your own product, deal with customer service, or worry about shipping and handling. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to make $10K a month with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose the right niche. The first step to success in affiliate marketing is to choose the right niche. You want to choose a niche that is profitable, has a large audience, and has a high demand for products or services. Do your research to find out what people are searching for and what products or services are in demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon Bestsellers, and ClickBank Marketplace to find out what's popular. 2. Choose the right products. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to choose the right products to promote. You want to choose products that are relevant to your niche, have a high commission rate, and are high quality. Look for products that have good reviews, a high conversion rate, and a strong sales page. 3. Build a website. To promote affiliate products, you need a platform to do it on. That's where a website comes in. You can use website builders like WordPress or Wix to create a website. Your website should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and have high-quality content. 4. Create high-quality content. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. You can create blog posts, videos, social media posts, or any other type of content that your audience would enjoy. Your content should be informative, engaging, and helpful to your audience. 5. Build an email list. An email list is a powerful tool in affiliate marketing. It allows you to promote products directly to your audience and build a relationship with them. You can use email marketing services like MailChimp or Aweber to build your email list. Offer something of value, like a free ebook or a discount code, in exchange for their email address. 6. Drive traffic to your website. To make sales in affiliate marketing, you need traffic to your website. There are many ways to drive traffic to your website, such as SEO, social media marketing, paid advertising, and guest blogging. The key is to focus on the traffic sources that work best for your niche and audience. 7. Optimize your sales funnel. Your sales funnel is the path your audience takes from when they first discover your website to when they make a purchase. To optimize your sales funnel, you need to make sure that each step is seamless and easy for your audience. Your sales funnel should include a lead magnet, a landing page, a thank you page, and a follow-up sequence. Number 8. Test and improve. Affiliate marketing is all about testing and improving. You need to track your results and make adjustments to your strategy based on what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics and ClickMeter to track your website traffic, conversion rates, and sales. 9. Stay committed. Making $10K a month with affiliate marketing is not easy, but it's possible with hard work and commitment. You need to stay consistent with your content, keep learning and improving, and stay focused on your goals. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, and it's possible to make $10K a month with the right strategy. It takes time, effort, and commitment, but if you follow the steps we've outlined in this video, you can achieve your financial goals. Remember to choose the right niche, promote high-quality product, create high-quality content, build an email list, drive traffic to your website, optimize your sales funnel, test and improve, and stay committed to your goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.